So, you're thinking of moving to Hilton Head Island, South Carolina, and you've got about $1 million to spend. Well, that's perfect because today we're going to be sampling 3 different houses in 3 different neighborhoods to show you exactly what you get for the money. So don't go anywhere. Let's get started right now. Do you want to know everything there is to know about the South Carolina Low Country? Whether it's Bluffton, Beaufort, Hilton Head Island, or Jasper County, then subscribe below and tap that bell for notifications so you'll be the first to know about the current market here in the South Carolina Low Country. My name is David Simcox, host of Low Country Lifestyles and a local realtor. I get calls and emails every day from people just like you and you and you and you looking to make their move here to the South Carolina Low Country, and I absolutely love it. So whether you're making your move in 3 days, 3 months, or 3 years, give me a call, send me an email, shoot me a text, or book a Zoom call, all in the description below, so I can help you find your low country lifestyle. Today, we're gonna sample 3 neighborhoods and 3 houses right at $1 million, so you can see kind of what you get for the money in that budget. Again, there are many other options at the $1 million level in Hilton Head Island, but today we're just gonna take a quick look at 3 just to give you a flavor. If I can help you find your $1 million home or your low country lifestyle, contact me, but let's go ahead and get started right now. All right, so this first house that we're going by right now is in a neighborhood called Long Cove Club, which is one of the most high-end exclusive golf clubs on Hilton Head Island. And this is a 2,980 square foot home on just over half an acre. It is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home built in 2000. And it is listed at just over $1 million. And this is one of the most amazing areas to live in. This community has a peak eye golf course. They have a deep water marina. They have tennis, pickleball, bocce ball. They've got a clubhouse with 3 different dining options and amazing fitness facilities with a junior Olympic sized swimming pool. And again, this house is just an example of what you can get in the neighborhood. And we're going to drive around and show you some of the additional architecture in this neighborhood. All right, while I'm here in Long Cove, I just wanted to take you down by the riverfront and show you the dock facility. As I mentioned, they do have this deep water marina out here. It's absolutely gorgeous. And I did talk about the golf and everything else, all the other amenities, but this is one of my favorites. It is $35,000 to buy into this neighborhood. I think that's about to go up to 50. Don't quote me on that. And then the annual POA fee to live in here is $16,000 per year. And again, there'll be some additional like cart fees and things like that for the golf. But anyway, just wanted to give you a quick peek of this absolutely beautiful waterfront area here at Long Cove. All right, so here behind me is another example of a house that you can get for just about $1 million here in Hilton Head. And this is in a neighborhood called Sea Pines. And Sea Pines was the first community on Hilton Head Island. And as far as I know, it was the first community in the United States to combine residential real estate with like a resort golf lifestyle. And this was all back in the 1950s. But the cool thing about Sea Pines is they do allow short-term rentals, so it's kind of a combination between a place where people can live and also a place where people can vacation. Now, this particular house, again, this is just an example. This house will probably be sold by the time you watch this, but it's 1,969 square feet on 0.13 acres. So it is a very small lot. The houses are pretty close together. This one was built in 1996. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and to live in Sea Pines, they've got all kinds of incredible amenities, golf, all kinds of different fitness facilities. They have a marina, they've got a ton of restaurants and shopping within the gates of Sea Pines. They have a PGA golf tournament that happens once a year. The POA fee here is $1,887 per year just to live in Sea Pines. And then to live in this little enclave here, which is called Carolina Place, the fee is an additional $290 per month. So again, this just gives you an idea of what you can get for about $1 million. Now I'm going to drive around. There's all kinds of different lifestyle options within Sea Pines. Anything from condos all the way up to like mega mansions on the ocean, all within this one community. So for the sake of giving you a taste of the architecture, I'm just going to drive around this little enclave so you can see sort of what you get in this particular part of the neighborhood. All right, so this house behind me is in a neighborhood called Hilton Head Plantation, and I absolutely love this neighborhood because it's all full-time residents. They don't allow any short-term rentals. So if you want to live in a neighborhood that feels like an actual neighborhood that you can raise your family and make memories and not have a bunch of tourists coming and going, this would be a really good option here. So this is again just an example of what you get for the money. This one is listed just over $1 million, and it is 3,194 square feet. It is built in 1994, and it is on just under half an acre of land. So again, this one is likely going to be sold by the time you watch this video, but it will give you an idea of what you get for the money in this neighborhood. And the POA fee is only $1,261 per year to live in this neighborhood. And they have all kinds of great amenities. They have fitness facilities, they have multiple golf courses that are public golf courses that you can play. They also have the Country Club of Hilton Head within the gates here. If you want to join that private country club, you can. They have their own marina. They've got all kinds of things going on in this neighborhood. And this is actually the second largest community on Hilton Head Island, just behind Sea Pines. So again, that just gives you an idea. I'm going to drive around and show you a little bit more of the neighborhood, but definitely a great neighborhood to consider if you're looking at Hilton Head Island around $1 million. All right, thank you for watching the entire video all the way till the end. I hope you got to enjoy seeing some of those houses and some of those neighborhoods right at the $1 million level. Again, if I can help you find your low country lifestyle, be sure and give me a call, send me an email, shoot me a text, or book a Zoom call, all in the description below. And if you want to stay up to date with the latest and greatest in the South Carolina low country, be sure and like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. That way you'll be notified every time a new video comes out. My name is David Simcox, host of Low Country Lifestyles. It's been a pleasure spending time with you today, and I hope to see you in person at some point, but if not, I'll see you on the next video.